won't glow as well. And so here, when we were talking about glowing, here's the glow paint. I got it from Michaels. I think you can get like glow-in-the-dark powder or paint online or Michaels. Mixing bowl and mixing tool. This looks dirty, but it's just the outside, so it's not dirty inside. Then I have foaming hand soap from Bath and Body Works. It smells so good, so it makes your slime good and it smells good. But don't add too much or else it won't glow like if you add color. Then I have baking soda, and you have to have baking soda because it like helps it come together, so yeah. Oh, and then here's an example, something I made earlier. It's glow in the dark, but it doesn't glow as well because there's paint in it, so yeah. Okay, let's get on to making the slime. Okay, grab your Elmer's glue. Oh, and I forgot to say, but Elmer's glue is like the one you need to use because Jot is not a very good one. It's too watery. So and pour as much glue as you want for slime. I'm gonna do maybe as much. I can see that. Then get your glow-in-the-dark paint, and you have to pour out kind of a lot because you need it to glow, so if it's that much, then mix it. And you'll see it's kind of green, but yeah, and it glows green, so mix it in really well, or else it won't. It'll glow, but it'll be like all watery glowy stuff. Okay, then add soap. Don't add too much, or else it won't glow. So like maybe that much, and mix it. Mix it really well because you'll know when it's done. Okay, now to activate it. Well, I'm just gonna add a little more glowing stuff. Just do this. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's all mixed in. Okay, now to activating. So this is what I found it easy is, so get your baking soda and get like a pinch and put it in, and then get your contact lens solution and put it right over the baking soda, and then it activates really well, and then you can just keep adding the contact lens solution. Okay, so I just put it all on top of my baking soda. Now mixing. Okay, so you see it's not activated yet, but it's starting to activate. Now you just keep adding contact lens solution until you think you can play with it. Oh, it's putting together. Okay, I'm adding more of this. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more baking soda just to make sure it'll activate. Oh, and by the way, so when you add the baking soda, you'll think, oh, it won't be too hard. But then after you've been playing with it gets harder and harder because of how much baking soda you add. So don't add too much. So just like I said, I'm just gonna add the contact lens solution right on top of the baking soda. And mix. But today when I made the glow in the dark slime, it took a little while for it to activate, so just be patient and it'll activate. sure when you make this slime you have like a placemat or at least a table that you don't care getting dirty because slime can be messy. Right, Mom? Yep, she says yes. Oh, and if you see my gardener in the back, just don't mind him. Cause, oh, and my dad in the back, maybe? No, not yet. Let's see, it's starting to come together. This is what it'll look like when it's starting to come together. It's starting to look like slime. But when it looks like that, it's still not totally activated. It's starting to get activated, but not already. Oh, and the trick once you think you're ready is put this on your hands, put the contact solution on your hands, and rub, and then you can close your slime and it won't stick to your hands as much. So I'm still mixing. There we go. I'm adding more contact solution. Sometimes it gets hard to mix it if it's like. I'm just gonna add a little more baking soda, but not do the trick with like the thing because sometimes that's what I do. I'm starting to go in with my hands, but I'm not ready yet. Oops, starting to be ready. Yep, it is. Okay, so it's really stretchy. So if it's not stretchy enough, you can add more of this, but be careful how much you add because, like I said, it won't flow as well. And if you want, you can add more at the end if you add a little bit too much soap. So I think I added a little too much, so I'm going to add some. And it looks green, but it does not make your slime green at all. Oh, and my slime's pink because earlier I was playing with food dye. Okay, I think I have my slime, so I'm going to test it after the video and see how it does. So, bye. I hope you subscribe.